Dear children, today let us start the new chapter, lesson number 14, water. I hope you all will be very curious and eager to know something new about water. Is it, children? Okay, let us get into the lesson now. There are three basic needs which is essentially required by all organisms. I hope you all know that: food, water and shelter. Is it? Like food, water also is a very important requirement of all living beings. Is it? Without water no organism can survive. So I hope you can understand the importance of water. Is it? Apart from drinking purpose, we need water for some other activities also. To carry out our household activities, we need water. Is it? To wash our clothes, to take bath, to wash the utensils, to clean the home, for toilet purposes and so on, we need water. Is it? So through this chapter you all will be knowing how much of water is used by every single individual and how much of water is used by a family per day. Okay, so we can roughly list out the activities for that we need water, and we can approximately estimate that amount of water is required by the family or by individual every day. From this activity we'll be able to understand the importance of water and we can use it wisely in the upcoming days. People will know the importance of water only when there is a scarcity of it, otherwise they waste the water. In the upcoming classes we'll discuss about the various sources of water, water cycle and rainwater harvesting. Okay, about these topics we'll discuss in detail in later classes. Thank you, children.